No be you a carry go, but now you a go carry go. Sisi a carry go, yeah, yo. No be you a the check on no, but now you a one.
Hey guys, so I'm at the Cincinnati airport. Hold on, let me put my bag on my arm before everything falls out. Okay. So I just got to Cincinnati airport and sorry. So I'm on my way to DC to meet up with Erica for a best friends weekend. It's gonna be a nice chill weekend, just have fun. Hey guys! So I'm here with Erica and we're in DC. Say hi. Hello. And we're just having a nice calming weekend. And we're on our way to the spa to have a spa day. And then we're gonna go look around, go to the bars, have fun. So yeah, it was like kind of an impromptu trip. Last minute planned trip. Yes. But it was good. That was much needed. So yeah, so we're just walking to the spa now. What's going on up there? Fire trucks. But we're in Georgetown, so we're staying in Georgetown for the weekend. So it's really nice actually. So yeah, I had a long work week from Texas. Like I feel like I was just in Texas like yesterday, and now I'm here. Yeah, I really did, because I worked every day till close. Yeah. Let me see. It's a little dark, but it's okay. Okay. So Erica and I just finished our massages. Erica, how was yours?
Mine was really good.
That's good. Mine was really good too. And now we're gonna get our facials and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And after our massages, we got our facials, and they were trying to make us buy this product that Erica said cost $73. Some vitamin C like, serum or something.
This size it is.
Yes, for $73. But the facial was really good, nice and relaxing. I liked how they put that steam on our face. Yeah, I like that. That was good.
She asked me if it was too much. At first it was too close to my nose, but it felt good on my face.
Yeah. And then they did a mask, exfoliated, did a mask. And that was it.
I was wondering if she's going to do the same thing on for me. That's like she did.
She did, yeah. But it wasn't too bad. Because I was afraid, they would use something and it'd make my skin start itching.
That's what I thought.
Hey guys, so we're in Texas. Hi, Inky. Hi.
Well, things to wear. I can't believe you're wearing the shoes.
I only brought 2 shoes. These and blue heels. So you gotta live with it.
Blue heels? For what?
So we in Texas, in Houston. I was taking a nap, so I'm trying to get out of my sleep right now, so.
Can I put my hair like more this way? What does it look like?
Good. It was great. So we're gonna go. We actually got here at the crack of dawn today. For everybody else,
the butt crack of dawn.
Yeah. So it is. It's like almost 2 o'clock right now, right? It's almost 2 o'clock right now. So we got here. We landed in Houston at like 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go. We got a nails done. Good nails are horrendous. The frame was here. And the nail place is across the street. The nail place is across the street, so we're just gonna walk there. I'm wearing heels, so we're gonna take our time. I didn't have any other shoes.
Yeah, I don't know your plans.
So we'll see you guys at the nail place.
I don't know your plans.
This place, yeah, this floor. Like I want to have like. Hey guys, so we first got our nails done. Let me show you my nails. Can you see your nails?
I just got polish change.
That's good. And then we got our toes. Inky got her first time getting a pedicure. I took a picture of you.
What do you mean?
In a pedicure. Our first, Inky's first pedicure, so I got my tattoo on. So yeah. So now we got a drink and then we're gonna go to the mall after this. Chill out. Nobody's here yet. That's why we're just chilling.
We're having drinks and pedicures at like 1 p.m.
I know, right? So this lady made like a watermelon something. I like to call it like a watermelon spritzer.
It kind of is though.
Yeah, it tastes really good. And it's hot out here, so yeah. We're on the windy side. Yeah. Okay, so I made Inky join Snapchat. Are you done installing?
You didn't acknowledge it. You didn't acknowledge that memory of the freshman year of high school when you had those.
Okay, so did you get the Snapchat yet?
It's downloading. It's downloading. It's like 20.
Yeah, so I made Inky join Snapchat. So I'm waiting for her to make an account so I can shout her out on my Snap.
So like on a day-to-day basis, you snap every day. Nope. Just once a week.
Barely.
Barely.
I usually like lately it's been often when I travel on the weekends, so that's why.
It's like clear right now.
So what's good?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So Uncle wrote a book. Uncle Patrick wrote a book. Uncle, what's your book about?
It's a book of poems.
Okay.
Original book of poems. Inspirational, spiritual, love, and food for thought. A book that one picks up and you will not drop it till you get to the end of the page.
Okay. Where can we find your book?
You can go to Amazon and other media outlets. Could you put a pause there because I'm being distracted? Enemies are trying to attack me.
The paparazzi are coming.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Yes, they want to rob me.
Yes.
But anyway, it's a very powerful collection of poems, and I encourage everybody to read it, not just to buy it for the sake of buying, but actually to enjoy what the content is all about.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You got my phone number. Call me anytime.
Yes. Whispering Waves, Poems for Everyday Grace. Patrick Echebe. So the event's over for tonight. I am dead tired. Inky, are you dead tired?
Yeah. Wait, can you see my whole body or just my face?
Just your face. AK. So yeah, so we're gonna go up to our hotel so we can get our PJs on, and we're gonna go and talk and we're gonna study. We don't study.
Wait, how's my foundation? How is it at the end of the night? Am I dewy? What do I look like?
You look dry.
I look dry for real?
Yeah.
Ooh.
No,
bad dry,
like dry is like you're not shiny.
What do you guys think?
Or should I say you're not
shiny? So I just
shiny.
tried what is it called? NARS Luminous. I'm gonna put it right here in the video. But it said it's for people with like normal to dry skin, and I don't have. Are we?
No, we're not waiting for her.
Okay.
Yeah, NARS. Okay, so the NARS Luminous. It's the NARS Luminous Silk.
Skin something. Whatever. Anywho, it says it's for normal to people with normal to dry skin, but I have like normal to oily skin, especially my T-zone. So I was very like afraid to buy it, but the color matched really nicely.
That happened last
The elevator breaking down because I don't like that sound. What was I saying? So yeah, I really liked the color match. I really like sheer foundation, so I wanted to try it out. So today was my first day.
Yeah. And I'm wearing the Lancome Tierney Doll 24-hour Ultra Foundation. So yeah, will be viable. So anyway, and I broke the bottle. So now I have to transport it.
Oh, and it didn't come. Okay, so the foundation that I bought at Sephora today, the NARS one, in the store it had a pump, and then when I got home, it didn't have a pump. Like, I feel like that's false advertising.
Well, they put a pump for testing.
So good question. Who has the key?
Inky, you have the key.
Where?
Inky, you're so dumb.
Oh,
You're the dumbest person in this place. And my battery's dying, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
That better be mommy. I don't think you have the magic touch.
Yeah, I do.
Mommy, our key is dead.
Our key doesn't work.
Wait, so what key do you guys have?
You don't have a key. We didn't check it.
Oh, never mind.
Why would you though?
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're at the mall, and I'm with Stacy and Whitney. Sarah's gonna be in the vlog.
So what you want to say?
Hey,
Say hi to yourselves.
Hey, I'm Stacy. So we're here to meet and greet.
Yes.
I wanted to be her video, so yeah. I'm Whitney.
Say it again.
I'm Whitney. Hey YouTube. On YouTube. That's for what's to it then.
Okay, thanks for coming. Nice meeting you guys. And talk to me on YouTube and everything, okay? I know you're fixing it. Okay.
Okay. Can we take pictures and
Oh yeah, with Inky. Okay, hold on.
Did my eyebrows are right here.
Let me see your eyebrows. That's good.
You want to do yours too?
That's the first time I ever did my eyebrows without like taking off my stuff I filled in my eyebrows with.
Oh, that's good.
She said she could still do it. I'm gonna take it off. I was like, I don't wanna.
Yeah, so
Usually-
you just got her eyebrows done.
Usually, she's good. It was kind of painful.
I haven't got my eyebrows done in a long time. Over a year now.
Growing yours out.
Over a year now.
Did you just? Oh, you waxed.
I
them.
waxed
I was
it
gonna
now.
say you just got them done. That's all.
Yeah.
You should let her do it. She's pretty good.
No, it's okay. Next time. So I want to like grow back.
There's not gonna be another Houston time.
I know, but I want to let it grow back because that last time I did it for Dallas, like the lady messed up my eyebrows. So I just need to go back to normal before they. So yeah. Anyways, we said meet up. It was fun. We had lunch with the girls.
They have like happy.
This one girl just texted me and said, "Are you guys still there?" Because I'm on my way there. I'm like, "Okay." I said, "Well, we'll
Be here for like.
I said, that's what I said. We'll be here for probably like 20 more minutes, but we're headed to Sephora.
She texts you. Or she's
Like Snapchat. So we're at practice for tonight.
Okay. If I'm not a man, don't greet me.
Turn left on
Is it a
Texas
battle like
6
chicken?
access road.
Hey guys, so
North ramp.
we are on our way to House of Lace. Inky's driving. Mommy and her sister are in the back, enjoying the shared ride.
Take the Texas 6 North ramp.
So yeah. Inky and I went to Target. So let's see if we can find some like products. We didn't find any. We're disappointed.
Texas 6 North.
So when we take mommy to House of Lace, hopefully there's like beauty supply stores around so we can check out some things. Trying to get some good goodies. We didn't find any yet. But yeah, Houston is hot, but I really like it. Hot and humid. It's hot and humid, but I like it. I like it. I like it. It's good. Yeah. And it was so fun meeting all the subbies today. It's me.
Continue on Texas 6 North for 4 miles.
It was fun.
For 4 miles.
4
miles, then turn right on Houston.
Hey guys, so we're on our way back to Ohio. They don't do it anymore. So he was saying that they don't do security checks on our seatbelts.
No. I swear. You didn't go through the whole security spiel.
Oh, I think they just let you say, you just read the pamphlets.
Well, they have to point out all the exits.
Okay. Okay, so we're on our way back to Ohio. And I like to vlog like this because our neighbors stare at us like that.
Yes. Houston was a bus.
So yeah, after we're back from Houston, it was a little bit crowded and a little unorganized, but it was okay. The main thing is that we get to see our family and friends, so that's why it makes it fun to go to. Anyways, in Texas fashion, it started very late. It started like almost 1 a.m. and it wasn't over until almost 6 a.m. No, almost 5. Well, I would say 6 because we left early. So now we're heading back to Ohio. He has work tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. Bye, Inky. We'll see you guys when we get to
In
Ohio.
preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed in an overhead bin or underneath the seat, and that all
Hey guys, so we're in New Jersey. I was supposed to vlog when I got here, but my flight got in late and we were trying to like make sure we got here early to be able to get here on not too late so we can go to the party downstairs. But we're here, so we just got back from the welcome party for Friday just now. I'm tired. They had good drinks. And yeah. So we're in our hotel.
Don't vlog me.
And he said not to vlog her, so I guess we're not gonna vlog her.
Change my clothes.
Anyways, I'm gonna give Inky her gifts that I got for her from my Europe trip.
Let me put my bonnet on and then you can vlog me.
Okay. So I'm so excited that I got to meet a lot of people that watch my videos.
I make everything out of this material.
Yeah, that material's been like very far-fetching. Inky's here. Wow, my camera is like upside down.
Hi guys.
Can you believe they took away our double queen beds?
I know.
Like I already had plans.
Plans for what? I'm tired. You guys like my nappy?
You're not gonna wash off your makeup?
I will. One thing at a time. I'm just glad I took my clothes off. I guess that green dress was a hit, wasn't it?
Yeah,
everybody was saying
good.
that
it was nice
good.
and bright.
Was it?
Yeah.
I mean, that was my backup dress. I think it ended up being better than the original dress I was gonna wear, the red one.
Yeah, because I saw some other girls were red. And
Yeah,
it was kind
no,
of boring.
no. Another girl had that same dress I had on in different color.
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
like a limey greeny.
Oh, really?
You see it?
Okay,
Yeah.
no, I didn't see it.
Yeah, but a lot of people had on red. You're right.
Yeah.
Nobody had on green.
So it was good.
Whew. Can we put that heat back on? I'm like such a fan of like when you come back to your hotel room, like have the heat on so it's nice and toasty. You just climb under the sheets.
Are you gonna vlog or am I gonna vlog?
No, I'm not gonna vlog. I tried this new foundation. Should we talk about my foundation?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it in 2 colors. You can have one. I know, because I don't use foundation like that.
Yeah, but that's not my color.
Yeah, but one of them is kind of like... Okay, so guys, I got this foundation. It's the CoverGirl All Day Flawless 3-in-1, but this is the clean version. And I'm so glad I got it because they have so many good shades. And this stuff sets matte.
I do need that, though.
It sets matte and it's lightweight, but buildable. So like you can do one layer and it's very light and it dries matte, but if you want to build it up, it builds it up and it conceals and it's pretty good. I'm not a foundation person. Like if you have all these foundations, I have one foundation I've had for like the past 6 years.
Oh wow!
No, seriously, that MAC Face and Body.
You need to update your makeup.
That MAC Face and Body, I've had it for so many, at least like 5 years, and it's still like a full bottle. Like
yeah, but you know you have to change after 2 years. Foundation.
Okay, maybe not 5 years. Maybe I had it for like 3 or 4 years. But it's still full. Like it's still a full bottle. But that's why I want to venture into new stuff. So, and I tried to use that Maybelline one that you told me was bad. I have to go with these because they don't have like golden undertones. They need gold. So I got 2 of these. I got Almond Glow and Golden Honey.
So if when you mix
this
it
doesn't color.
That's too light for me.
No. Iffy. Put it on the back of your hand.
This is too light.
That one's darker than this one.
Not right now after I came back from Europe.
No, I mean like right here. Just put it just...
This one's darker though, right?
No, that one's darker.
Oh, let me this?
They're very similar. I can
very similar.
I can wear both of them.
Okay. This is still too light.
Yes. Just put a little bit on the back of your hand. No, it looks perfect. Put a little bit on the back of your hand and blend it out. Ify, don't you
I'll do it tomorrow.
put a dot on the back of your hand and just blend it out.
As I just said, I just came back from the blaze.
It doesn't matter. Just feel the formula. Just feel it.
Just a little bit.
I said a little bit. I'm gonna pour the whole bottle on the back of your hand. See, look, it's the color.
It's not my color, but
See how it blends out? That was just like airbrush.
yeah, it's nice and soft.
The airbrush. The color. Look, you blend it.
No.
Your hair is go there.
This Long Island iced tea. Ooh, it does look good though. Flawless.
That's what it's called. All day flawless. That's what it's called. But you gotta get the queen. The queen is. Everybody keeps asking me what's going on, like the convention. Like, remember the guy I check in and asked?
All right, so I'm gonna give Inky her gifts.
Remember the guy I check in and asked what's going on in the hotel? What's the convention for?
Oh yeah. Well, this is mommy's, so that's mommy's thing.
Oh, they're the same.
This is yours. This is the blessed cross from the Vatican.
Is it what?
Oh, your skirt.
Oh yeah.
Your Kim Kardashian skirt.
Oh, it looks big enough.
It's very good. Yeah.
Oh, I like this. Wait.
It's blessed.
Do you wear it? I'm sorry.
No,
Oh, okay.
Hang it.
I didn't know if it was like a dotted chain.
This is Junior's.
Okay, this is cool. I'm gonna put this above my door or something. Wait, you're doing too many at a time, Mickey. One at a time.
I mean, this is mommy, so the skirt is next.
What size is it?
Large.
How do you know it's gonna fit me?
It will.
Ooh.
Is me too big?
No.
Oh yeah, it'll fit you.
Like
Trust me.
too small.
It'll fit you. Cause like I put on the medium.
Oh, it stretches.
Yeah, it stretches. It's Inky. It's Kim Kardashian skirt. Like it's really good.
Maybe I'll wear this tomorrow morning.
Yeah. No, I'm serious. Like it's really good.
I don't know if I have a good enough shirt to wear with it though, but I'll have to see.
Probably like a croppy top.
I know I brought a crop top, but I can't wear crop top. I can't wear crop top to brunch. That's a little weird. Okay. My magnet collection.
These are all yours.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
No, I was gonna pick one.
This is mommy and Junior's. Yeah, every city we went to.
I love this one. Oh, perfect. I love magnets. Wait, I think this one's missing something.
Okay, that's what that was. Okay. I put it in here because I was like, I saw it on the ground. I was like, wait, is this supposed to be in here or is this supposed to be somewhere else? No, I don't see it.
Look at this.
Oh, they both came off?
No, there's one here. You see that?
Yeah.
Because it's like repelling it. But then then I can get it to stay.
I'm trying to figure out where it went.
But this is a magnet too, so it might not need it.
Are you sure?
Maybe this came from something else actually, because this is a magnet. Because look.
No, because I... Okay, what?
It's a magnet.
It might stick to your fridge, but it did come from it. Because there was one...
Are you sure it didn't snatch it from something else?
No, I'm sure. Yeah, it came from it.
But then the funny thing is that you can get it to stay. It repels, but you can get it to stay at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
But how? How does it do that? When it repels it at the same time.
Okay, so those are your, well, you can take this back then to keep this.
Okay, thank you.
So you have Athens, Venice, Santorini, Paris, Barcelona. Oh, you're missing. No, Santorini. Never mind. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, Greece. This is one more there.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Those guys we talked to at the end, they're actually really nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
Even though they're not like anybody I would talk to. But
Yeah.
That
guy was 6'4".
Was he?
Yeah.
He was pretty tall, but he was very skinny.
He's skinny, but he was tall. But I was like, I think my heels are really high. How tall are you? He was like 6'4". I was like, oh yeah, my heels are really high.
They seem nice. Like they seem like the type of people that like I can be friends with.
They're like down.
Yeah,
you know,
like I can be friends with them.
They're real.
You know, the thing about this segment of my life is I realized that like I don't have any male friends anymore. I used to have so many male friends.
Yeah, in college,
anymore. It's like you can never just be friends. You meet somebody cool, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, can I get to know you? Oh, you just ruined it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Jeez. It's mine, right?
Yeah. Oh, so mommy's fan. This is my favorite one. I love that. Isn't that?
You got this in Barcelona? Yeah, it looks like Barcelona. What else?
That's it.
That's it. Where's the designer purses?
I didn't buy any.
Okay.
Oh, let me show you mommy's nail polish though.
Oh yeah, I want to see the stiletto. 7 inches or what is it?
Christian Louboutin.
This, how long is it? How long is this?
I got one for Erica and then 2 for me and 1 for mommy.
You didn't even get me one.
Cause you're allergic to it.
I could have just used it for display. I could have painted my other nails. Is this the box that comes off? Oh.
Like lift the box up.
This one. Ooh. You didn't? None of them? What's wrong with you?
Okay, I haven't even had time to do anything.
I want
As
to
soon as I
paint on
got
my
back, I
thing,
went
but I
to
don't
work
wanna-
and. Let me save my memory. Hey guys, so we are at the UIU convention. First.
So right now, I'd like to also invite upstage
and then we ended up at
the couple here, Mrs. Vivian and Mr. Ejikeme Okoroha. Please put your hands together for them as they come to upstage.
Oh yeah, I got to meet you.
You are in 2013 when you proposed? Yeah, 2013. You were right when you proposed.
Yeah, so then we're gonna, what?
He
proposed that UIU 2013.
Thank you so much. One more time, please put your hands together for the couple.
So we're gonna meet Mommy and Junior in the city in like 10 minutes. So yeah. So
Let me just send a message.
what did she say?
Um,
Oh gosh, what did she say? Inky.
So our goal for today, we didn't start exactly as when we wanted to start because we want to make sure that much people come in here. But our goal today is very simple. We want to be able to understand.
That's why we said that he doesn't wear it all the time.
Dating as an Igbo person or dating within our culture, dating other people.
So we're on the train to Manhattan to meet up with Mommy and Junior. Why are you looking like that? Because you're vlogging. Hi guys. Yeah, so we're on the train. So yeah, the marriage forum was really funny actually. It was very interesting.
It was very interesting. A lot better than we thought it would be.
And then I have the gifts that I got from Mommy and Junior from Europe. I have them in here to give it to them. Change the shoes because I have my heels on, so I change the shoes and yeah, that's it.
Any snacks?
We didn't get any snacks. Any tea.
Oh, baby, you ain't heard about me. I'm aggressive, man. Yeah, baby, I'm an African. Hey, I come through straight off the boat. And you know I'm smelling like gold. A little bit of ash on my toes. And I really don't accept no. Hey, hold on. Gotta play it. Got microphone. See, that's Chinese right there. What? No. You know what?
Guys, so I'm here with little JJ and mommy. And the UIU convention is over. Umo Ibu Unite is over. And Nikki already left. My flight's tomorrow. So we're just hanging out. Yeah, we're on our way to Times Square. Good morning. And today I'm going to vlog my whole day. I'll be at home all day. Well, I mean, I won't be at home, but most of the day I'll be at home. After I'm done doing my to-do list, then I'll be going to the gym, and then hopefully I can go to the movies and see Straight Outta Compton. So yeah, so today I wanted to vlog because I thought it would be fun. And I have like a vlog that I want to post. Like all my Europe vlogs are not posted, so if you haven't watched them, go watch them now. But I have another vlog I want to post of just like random stuff from throughout this summer that I never posted. So I just want to like I'll just add this to that vlog since I want to vlog today. So right now I am about to eat breakfast. I just woke up, about to eat breakfast, and then I'm going to start my day. So today is spring cleaning day. Even though it's not spring, but I'll call it like fall cleaning day, but spring cleaning just sounds so much more fun. So yeah, spring cleaning day. So I'm going to declutter my whole apartment, clean up my whole apartment, clean up everything, and then organize. So yeah, so right now my apartment looks like wild mongrels just roam through here. So I'm not going to show you what my apartment looks like because it's actually really messy. And I filmed the video yesterday and I didn't clean up, so it's going to be really messy. So yeah, so I'm just going to be cleaning up today. So yeah. Right now, I just posted my vlog from my last vlog yesterday, so I'm just watching it on my TV just to make sure it looks good. And then, yeah. Today's a beautiful day outside, but we're going to be inside today because I have to clean. So, yeah. So, anyways, cleaning day today. Time to start cleaning. I always have to put on YouTube videos when I have like stuff to do and cleaning, so I put on a playlist. I think I have like 50 videos on my queue list, so that's what I'm going to be watching all day, and I'll be tackling the kitchen.
Baby sweet, baby nice, baby body quite show me what taxi, malero boyaroni, otimo kode wapa, o afema kuka semi, what you
Yeah, my kitchen is done. It's complete. It's perfect. Yeah. So my kitchen counter is clear. Everything's clean. Now I'm going to go onto my desk area. It's not really that messy, but I just wanted to take any like unnecessary papers and put them away and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing next. This is my desk area. Desk is all done and clear. All done. And I'm doing the living room right now. So I dusted everything. Start over here with all my bottles of lotion, perfume, my jewelry, and all that stuff, because this counter needs to be revamped. And I might throw some jewelry away because I don't need it. or just donate it. All right, I finished. Well, I didn't really finish, but I quit because I'm so over this shit right now. So I cleared out this table. So now everything here is necessary. Got rid of a lot of perfumes, got rid of a lot of lotion bottles, got rid of a lot of jewelry I'm gonna take to Goodwill. So everything is, see this? Like, see all my rings here? Nothing, junk. Now I can put all these on here. This bowl isn't overflowing. This is not overflowing. This, everything's good. Threw away a lot of sunglasses. Well, Goodwill sunglasses. Took them to Goodwill. Cleared out, threw away a lot of makeup. So this is all my lip products that I use. And then on this side, I got rid of a lot of stuff here too. And everything is clean. And I'm watching Amy actually right now. So Amy, you're watching this, I'm watching you. And you're watching me watching you, right? Just kidding. Well, if you guys don't subscribe to Amy, you should subscribe to her. So yeah, okay. Next, over here, I have a pile of bags. So I need to like buy a shelf. Like all these shelves I buy from Walmart, I need to buy one that's narrow so I can put it here. Put my bags right here. Put these bags in a shelf. And then I cleared out the junk that was sitting here for months. Clear. I need to go through this, but I'll go through this tomorrow. A lot of stuff in here needs to be gone. Bathroom is clean and perfect. So yeah, I cleared out a lot of here, a lot of junk here. These brushes, my makeup brushes, I need to wash them, so I kept them here. Clear, 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 clean, 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 clean. Bathroom is clean. I need to get another, another filter. Bathroom is so yellow. Like, it makes it look disgusting. My bathroom is white, not yellow. I don't know why it's so, like, ew. It's like my makeup room. Maybe because there's not a window in here. There's a window in here, but my bathroom looks like here, like just nice and bright. But it's just yellow because there's no windows. You see this junk? See this? See all this? All this is going to be done Thursday, or maybe Wednesday night, but probably Thursday because I like to do it in the daytime. But this is what I have left to do, and I'm like, I'm done. I'm over this. All these clothes, I'm probably gonna get rid of half of this, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a credit sale because I'm not really like in the mood for that right now. I'll just give everything to Goodwill. And there's nothing in here. I mean, if it was really anything good stuff that someone else can use, then I'll do a closet sale. But if it's just like clothes that's just like I wouldn't even give my best friend to wear that, I ain't giving it to y'all. Okay, so anyways, now I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. Oh wait, did I show this part? I don't think I did. My living room is clear. Over there it looks so yellow because there's no windows. I hate that, but it's not yellow in real life. But yeah, everything's clear here. Cleared my table. Everything here is clean. My kitchen is clean. Tabletop is clean. And then my fridge is clean. And anytime Chris comes, he always says, all your magnets, you need to take them off your fridge. Your fridge is so tacky. So then I was like, fine. So I took them off and I put them over here. Yeah, so that's what I did. But because like I need my magnets, I need all this. Like all this, like I need it. These are like some notes and like, you know, like wedding stuff I want to keep and remember. And Nikki and I collect magnets, so I always collect magnets from everywhere I go, and I like to keep like pictures and stuff. So yeah, like I need this here. So yeah, some of this stuff I actually put on my desk. Like I put it like right here, other notes and stuff. But other than that, everything else is good here. Everything else is good. And these are the books I have. Well, you guys know my dad's book, and I forgot to thank you guys. Like, thank you guys for buying my dad's book. So a lot of people, I think I posted a video. Was it a video or a vlog? But my dad's book signing, and a lot of you guys bought his book, which was really nice, and he was really like happy about that. So it made him feel really good. So yeah, so this book called Love's Affliction. It's a love story about this guy that comes from Nigeria and falls in love with this girl, this southern girl and stuff, and all of the stuff that he goes through being, you know, a foreigner, going to college. He's a freshman in college, going to college and trying to do good in school and all that stuff like that. So it's a really, really good book, and a lot of people after they read it my subscribers, they like told me that was a really good book, so I'm really happy about that. So if you need any like fall or winter reads, grab this book. It's so good. And then my uncle, I think in this vlog, this vlog, I have clips from the emoji convention, and he was selling his book. So I think I'm like halfway through, I think, with these poems. It's not like a fiction, it's not like a novel, this is just a book of poems. So this is actually a really good, if you just need a quick pick-me-up, inspiration, you know, just having those down days or a funk, and you're like, I need something to like pick me up. This book is really good. It's called Whispering Waves, and it's called Poems for Everyday Grace by Patrick Achebe, not related to Chinua Achebe. Everyone thinks we're related to them, but we're not. So that's my mom's maiden name, if you guys didn't know. I guess you guys didn't know. That's my mom's maiden name is Achebe. So yeah, and that's my uncle. Oh yeah, I had to say, so a subscriber saw my uncle in Chicago, because he lives there, at the grocery store, and came up to him and said, oh, I know you're Iffy's uncle from her videos, blah blah blah. And then my uncle gave her one of his books. So she was telling me about that, and then my uncle was telling me about that too. So it was really nice. I like that. And my uncle was like so amazed, like somebody knows me and they like recognize me, and like, you know, something like that. So he was really like, he wants to say like thank you, you know, for saying hi and stuff like that. And he also wants to know if you enjoyed his book of poems. So yeah, his book of poems, and there's so many good poems. Like honestly, like if you just read a poem a night, like you'll wake up like tomorrow feeling really good. Like there's so many good lift me up poems and stuff like that. Like I can't believe, like, I don't know, it's just like I think I like how it's like not a novel or a story about something. It's just like a book of poems. Like anyone can take this and like go somewhere with it, or give it to anybody. You know, after I finish reading the poems, you know, maybe I can share with a friend that's going through something. I don't know, anything. But yeah, so I'll leave the links. I don't know if I'll try to get the link from my uncle from where his book is sold at. I think it's just like $20 for the book. And then my dad's book is most likely still on Amazon. My uncle's book should be on Amazon too. I'll ask him, but I'll put the links of these both down below. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to the gym, and then after that I'm gonna go see Straight Outta Compton. Straight Outta Compton. Okay, that's just not cool. I knew it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I am going to, what time is it now? Right now it's about to be 7 o'clock, and I'm gonna look up Straight Outta Compton movie times. What's this? Springdale movie theaters. All right, let's see. Straight Outta Compton, 9:50. So right now it's 7. So if I go to the gym by now, and I finish up at the gym at like 8 o'clock, 8:30, even 9, because I do have to go to Walmart to buy a couple of things from the store. Yeah, so I'll try to do the 9:50 show. And the movie is, I think they said it was like, oh, Sinister. Oh, okay, we can go see Sinister 2 Labor Day weekend. And we'll see Mission Impossible, obviously, I know that. Yeah, so I hope he doesn't go see Mission Impossible without me. Okay, Straight Outta Compton on 50. So good. Okay. I want to see how long the movie was. Because last time I think I said 2 hours. Yeah, 2.5 hours. But everyone said it's good, so maybe it'll go by fast. But sometimes like, I don't know, as I get older, I'm like, I don't want to watch a 3-hour movie. Like, you know, the Curious Case of Benjamin Button. I remember that movie was like 3 hours. But it was a good movie though. Anyways, I'm just rambling about nothing. Let me get ready to go to the gym. So I'll see you guys in a quick hot second, because I gotta, oh, I didn't put this away. I gotta change. So yeah. Hey guys, I recorded a video today, so it was so productive. Why is this, oh I got an iron. Okay, so back on track to summer cleaning. See, I'll show you what happens when I record a video. This is the mess that gets made. This this everywhere. So yeah, so I'm done recording. Now I need to go back to spring cleaning. NYC soft matte lip cream. These are my MAC lipsticks. These are only MAC lipsticks I own. So now I don't have all of them. Some more lipsticks here. This company sent me some lipstick I still gotta try. I collect MAC lip pencils though. I would love to have all of them. These are my MAC lip pencils and then other random like lip stuff. So then yet today I bought this thing. No, I bought this thing. This large 2-drawer one, and I put on the bottom of this drawer I bought before. Then I bought this today. It's just the acrylic container 3-compartment one. So yeah, so this I bought today and this I bought today. And then I bought this thing today. The only palette I own is this BH Cosmetics palette. 120 eyeshadow palette. I remember when everyone got this a couple, like 5 years ago, I got one of those. And then my Judy Time palette, one of the best palettes of all time. And then I have my Coastal Scents palette that I made. I picked the colors and stuff. And then this BH Cosmetics palette. And then the Wet n Wild Vanity palette. These are only palettes I own to my name. I use these two every single day. So yeah, I would like to make another palette like this with the kind of colors that I see in like the Naked palette, you know, that's going on now, so I can have my own version. Because I don't really use that many colors to have like 60 million different palettes. This palette, I don't even use it anymore. But I like to keep it because it was like my first real palette I ever bought. Lashes. Face powders. I'll talk about this face powders later. Alright, so now that I cleaned all that up, now I can move on to my closet. I was going to edit a video and upload it today, but I said let me wait. Or I could upload this vlog. Maybe I should upload the vlog. But it'll take me like 6 years to edit it. It's so long. We'll think about it. I really would like to have that though. We'll think about it. So yeah, I guess I'll do this today. I guess I will. I'm like creating excuses to not do it, and then I'm like, just do it.